So what's the point of having all of these memories if I can't easily bring them up and enjoy them and share them with others? That's the day that I decided to make a family DVD so that all of those precious memories would come to life. But that's also the day that one of my worst fears almost was realized. You see, my father passed away a couple of years ago, and when I was looking through the computer to find those pictures of our last Christmas together, I couldn't find them. It was a feeling that I never want to experience again. It felt like I was going to have a heart attack. As luck would have it, I was on Facebook and I came across this advertisement for this new product called the Photo Stick. And it promises that it would save all of my photographs and videos in one space. I'm going to plug this in right here. All right, I'm going to open this up. And the nice thing is I don't have to install any software or anything. Now the directions say I just have to click this go button. So there I go. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how quickly it is finding all of these files. It has searched 1,109 folders. It has found over 2,200 photos and videos. It's even found my duplicates and those that I've already saved. Now, with all of these photos and videos saved in one place, I can find that one special moment without having a heart attack and wondering, oh my gosh, did I delete that photo or which computer is it on?